Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So voice search is supposed to be basically the ultimate convenience. Let's say you tap a button, you say whatever you want, you speak a question, and Perplexity delivers an answer. No typing, no typos, no fuss. But what happens when you tap that microphone icon and nothing happens? Or it listens but doesn't transcribe, or you even get an error message. So here's the thing that surprises most users. Perplexity doesn't actually have its own built-in voice recognition engine. According to the Perplexity community, the app relies entirely on your device system voice input, for example, Google Voice Typing on Android, and the native iOS dictation on iPhones. This means if voice search isn't working, the problem is rarely Perplexity itself. It's almost always a permission, a setting, or any keyboard issue. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through every fix for voice search problems fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first thing first, we want to tap on our microphone and check the actual permissions. As you see, they're gonna ask me allow Perplexity to record audio. Make sure you put only this time. Otherwise, it won't fully work. Then if you can see this option, you can easily come here, long press the app, info, then go all the way to permissions, and make sure you give it the microphone permissions. And that's the first idea. Then try to understand the Android keyboard quirk. This is the first cause of confusion on Android devices, according to some users. Basically, on Android, it just uses our system. Let me tell you this one. So this is the voice input. Make sure it's fully work, so it will be working on Perplexity as well. And that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. Okay, now see you all in the next video.